Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the screen exactly how you want it, so position windows and hide private items first. Now perform the primary capture using your device shortcut. On Windows, press the Windows key plus PRT-SCN, on Mac use Shift Command 4, and on most phones use Power plus Volume down. Doing this saves a full or partial image quickly. Once done, check the small preview or screenshot folder to make sure the content registered correctly before moving to edit or share. After capture, open the image in the system editor to crop, highlight, or blur private data. You want the viewer to focus on the important part. If you used a partial snip, make sure edges are clean and annotations are readable. For longer content like web pages, use scrolling capture where available, or take overlapping shots and stitch them in an app. Make deliberate, minimal edits so the message stays clear, and save a copy before making destructive changes. Save your final image with a clear name and preferred format. PNG preserves sharp detail while JPG reduces file size. Then share directly from the preview using the clipboard, email, messaging apps, or upload to cloud storage for a link. If something goes wrong, such as shortcuts doing nothing or previews not appearing, make sure screenshot permissions are granted, update your OS and input drivers, and retry. If the problem persists, reboot or use a dedicated screenshot tool as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.